it is time for the top 10. These are the only trades you need to know about today, starting with number 10. The U.S. bank CITIGROUP is looking to scale back its operations in emerging markets and may have found a buyer for its Turkish consumer banking unit. DenizBank, one of Turkey's top 10 lenders, confirmed that it's in exclusive talks with CITIGROUP over the sale of the unit. Shares are up, as you just saw on that news, Dom.
Well, number 9, Betty, is Royal Caribbean Cruises. Another disastrous voyage at sea. One of the cruise liner's ships was forced to dock after a stomach bug outbreak, sickened more than 100 people. This comes just a few weeks after thousands of passengers spent days on a disabled Carnival cruise ship before getting towed to shore. Sheila.
Well, Dom, from boats to cars, number 8 is Ford. The auto giant just reported that vehicle deliveries in China surged more than 40% during January and February. The news signals a turnaround in China's car market, which has seen a slowdown in recent months. Betty?
And at number 7 on the energy front is Chesapeake Energy. The U.S. natural gas producer has been facing a cash crunch, now may be selling its stake in clean energy fuels. Chesapeake Energy currently owns 7.7% of the company, but after the sale, its interest in clean energy fuels would then drop to 1.1%. Shares of Chesapeake Energy are up 2.3% in the pre-market. Dom?
Well, number 6, Betty, is BlackBerry. The ailing smartphone maker is looking to boost sales in its biggest market with its new Z10 device, which will hit U.S. stores for AT&T on March 22nd. BlackBerry gets about 1/5 of its revenue from the U.S. and is counting on this Z10 to revive its brand's appeal against rivals like Apple. Sheila.
Number 5, MetLife. The largest U.S. life insurer said former Commerce Secretary Carlos Gutierrez has joined its board of directors. The company faces increased oversight from federal regulators. Today's appointment was MetLife's first since a board member stepped down last year amid a controversy, Betty.
And a company, Sheila, that you have been following closely is Best Buy at number 4. The electronics retailer got a much-needed jolt today. Piper Jaffray upgrading Best Buy to overweight and raised its price target to $26, citing new management, substantial free cash flow generation in the future, and an attractive valuation.
Well, Betty, number 3 is GE, General Electric. Headlines are just crossing that former SEC chairwoman Mary Schapiro is joining GE's board. She's been nominated there, so pending approval, Mary Schapiro, former SEC chair, could be the next director on GE's board. Sheila.
Number 2 is Dick's Sporting Goods. The sports retailer issued a full-year profit forecast this morning that fell short of analyst expectations. Dick's CEO does have big plans to boost growth, though. He talked about remodeling stores and also beefing up its e-commerce, Betty.
And at number 1 is Dell. It has entered into a confidentiality agreement with billionaire activist investor Carl ICAHN. In a letter to Dell's board last week, ICAHN said the proposed $24.4 billion buyout by co-founder Michael Dell and the private equity firm Silver Lake shortchanged shareholders and undervalued the company, and he wants some changes.